Well, hello my beauties and welcome to my non-made-up face, and that has a reason and I will explain in a little bit. First off, if you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I'm 42, almost 43. Wow. I'm from the Netherlands, hence the accent, and as you saw by the title, this is another collab. I did one yesterday as well. This one is almost as difficult, maybe even more difficult. But it's going to be fun, and that is, why I haven't done my face yet, because I know which palette I'm going to use for this challenge, and it kind of has a little bit of fallout. So, let me tell you who I'm collabing with. I'm collabing with Danielle Schmidt, and I found her through Annette, because I find all the good people through Annette from Annette's Makeup Corner. And she is just... she's fantastic. She loves colorful makeup. She has a fantastic sense of humor and she does really bold looks. I know I love doing colorful looks that are for bold for some people, but she's bold for me. So she inspires me as well to use, well, a color combinations that I'm kind of a little bit maybe afraid of still or something, or maybe just usually tone down a little bit. She's very, very sweet, so go check her out. She does all kinds of videos and yeah, as I said, she has a fantastic sense of humor. Go check her out, send her some love, and if you like her, hit her subscribe button. Now, what are we going to do today? Because she had a brilliant idea of a series that she is doing on her channel, and it's called Face Off. And what's that? It's just two creators have the same palette, the same shades, and create looks with it. That's what we are doing today. We picked 5 shades through a random generator. The palette we are working with is the Hasina one from Blush Tribe. That is why I haven't done my face yet, because yeah, some of the shades I got can create a bit of fallout, and the shades that I got kind of are giving me a bit of trouble, or at least I'm giving myself a bit of trouble. And to make everything a little bit easier, in case it all fails and I need to wipe it off, I don't have to do my entire face again. So, yeah. I wrote down the shades, and yeah, let me just swatch the shades for you, and then, yeah. So let's start with the first shade, which is Amara. That's shade number 1. Not really a problem. Then we get the second shade, which is Fatima, which is also not really a problem. Yes, Fatima. Okay. Then we get a little bit of a conundrum, which is called Nazia. Yes, and its swatch is not as good as the other two, but it's a good shade. Then we get Zaina or Zaina, and then the last one is Jehan. So yeah, this is the color story, and when I see it swatched out, it's a very nice color story. It can go good together. The only thing that is kind of giving me trouble is the blue. And why? Because I don't want to do the obvious, you know, do a warm eye and then the blue underneath. I don't want to do that. I want to do something different, something kind of out of the box for me. So yeah. What was I thinking? I was thinking about, I want to do a combination of the blue and the orange, because I think blue and orange is really pretty together. The only thing is, if you blend them together, you kind of get a weird color. And because it is an all matte, they're all mattes, yeah, I have to figure out how I want to do that a little bit. But let's just start. I have a small brush here. I'm going to start with the color Nazia, which is that blue. And I'm going to, I haven't set my eyeshadow base though. I usually don't. And let's see if we can create something. So I'm going to do that. And that. Did I want to do that? I don't remember. It doesn't really matter because if I make a boo-boo, I can kinda, I just cut the crease. Because now I'm having a different idea. I was thinking about doing a halo with the blue and then Jehan in the middle, the orange in the middle. But I'm also kind of thinking about something else. Let's try what I'm thinking about on this eye first. Let me get another brush. This is the color Jehan. And I'm leaving it open on purpose because I need to blend the color in between. I'm taking a tiny bit of Amara, which is that red, on a fluffy brush. I'm going to use that to blend these two together. Okay, different brush, color Nazia. I think this is a bit better. Color Jehan. I'm actually just going to pat that. I'm not going to blend, I'm just going to pat. Yes. Tiny bit of Nazia again, and I'm just I'm really winging it. But see the fallout I'm getting. So I'm very glad actually that I didn't do my base. Let's go to the color Fatima, yeah. And Fatima is this one. Let's plop that in the crease. Yes. I'm taking a different brush. I'm going to blend that out a bit. And I'm taking the color Zaina, which is this one. On that fluffy brush, I'm going to blend out. Also blending that orange a bit. I want it a bit more vibrant today, because you know what? I'm facing off against Danielle. Come on. Okay, I'm going to get the color Fatima again, which is the this one. Yes, Amara, the red. And a bit of Nazia, which is the blue. I'm blending that up a bit. Fatima, a little bit down here to connect it a bit. I'm missing something, I just don't know what. So let me do the same thing on this eye first. Let me remove a little bit of the blue. Okay, so this is a bit more of what I wanted, I think. I just put down here the color Fatima and it is more vibrant than here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of wipe a bit away here. Get the color Fatima and place it here as well. Now I'm going to blend that side out a bit. That's better. I personally don't like it if my shadows are up too high. Taking a bit of the color Nazia, yes, the blue, to blend it in here a bit. Okay, I'm dragging the color Nazia, the blue, into the crease above the orange, but because I put down a pinkish shade, I should be able to blend it no problem. I've made kind of a mess of my face, haven't I? And that is precisely the reason I haven't done my face yet. Because I can be a dirty girl and make a mess of myself. Yes, I know the sides are not really even, I will get to that now. So a little bit more of the color of Fatima, which is this one here. And I realize I still have one color left. Okay, I have, well, technically now 2 colors left, the red and a pinky one. So these two. Those I want underneath my eyes. Let me make sure my fingers are clean. What the idea is going to be is get a flat brush like this. I think that's going to be the idea. I'm going to try it now so that if it's not what I want, I can easily wipe it away. The red color I want here. On top of my lashes. Yes, yes. I want a little bit of that blue in the corner. So that it kind of ties it all together. Yes. The color Zaina, which is that pinky. This one. That is going to be kind of the idea. The only thing is though that if I do it this way, that doesn't really show up. So let me try something else. I'm going to start with the color Zaina. And then get Amara. I think that's better. That's what I want. So what I'm going to do now is clean up around my on my face. So I'm going to clean up the rest of my face, apply foundation, yes, and then I will be back. We will finish the eyes, and we are not allowed to bring in any other eyeshadows. We are, however, allowed to use highlighters and glitters. I'm not going to use glitter. I am, however, going to use highlighters. So yeah, hold on tight, I'll be right back. Everything is on. Yeah, I kind of like the way the under eyes are looking. I do want to, I don't know, brighten it all up a little bit. So let me get a brush. I want a little bit of a fluffier brush. So I have here a flattish, fluffy brush. Go into the color Zaina, that pink. Oh yeah, ignore this, but it is pink. Buff it out a bit. Okay, let's get a clean brush and just smudge. Yes, yes, okay. Then get a flat brush in the color Amara, which is that red, and press that on the lash line. Nice. I usually don't, or at least I don't do that often, pencils in my waterline, because then I get teary-eyed and I don't like that. What I am going to get though is highlighter, because I can spice it up a little bit with highlighter, and I'm going to use this palette from BH Cosmetics, and I am going to get the color Top It Off, this one, and that is going to go in my inner corner on top of the orange. And I'm going to spray and plop that here. Oh, pretty. You've gotta love highlighters. I kinda lost the orange, but maybe I can get it back. So I have another flat brush, pressing that into Jehan, the orange, and just putting that on top again. Okay, let's do the same on the other eye. That is the eye look so far. I'm going to plop on some liner and mascara. And then I will show you the look just before my falsies. So hold on tight, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. So I am back, as you can see, and the rest is on. I did change the Lippie because I wanted a little bit more orange. So I have a combination on of the Pudaier from AliExpress in number 4 and the Essence Shine 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 Orangey Gloss in Let's Pumpkin Up. That's the combination. Mascara is Lash Princess. What I'm going to do now is apply my falsies. I have to think about the falsies I want though. And I will be right back to show you the finished look, so don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. So the falsies are on and this is what it, well, turned out to be. Weird sentence. I do think it's pretty. Am I missing earrings? Probably. That's something I always forget. I always forget to put in earrings, but it doesn't really matter. I think it is a color combination I would not have chosen on my own, but I think it turned out really pretty. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. And just to refresh your memory, these were the colors I had. This one was an orangey matte though. Thank you so much, Danielle, for collabing with me. And I cannot wait to see the look that you come up with. Yeah, I really like this idea. It's the same with palette bingo, you know. It's the same idea that we did now, but now we just kind of faced off against each other, and I think it's fun. And these types of videos really get me out of my comfort zone and get me to be really creative. So yeah, I really like these types of videos. I loved collabing. So yeah guys, let me know what you think, and don't forget to check out Danielle's video. I will link the video below, I will leave her channel below. I will also link everything underneath the card so you can find her information anywhere on my channel. And yeah, go check her out because she's amazing. And if you are here from Danielle's channel, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, if you like me and my content, hit the subscribe button and then also the bell so you will be notified of my next upload. Well guys, that was it. I'm going to stop filming now, otherwise I will be here until tomorrow, I think, admiring myself because I'm so damn gorgeous. Anyway, have an amazing day. Bye guys. Oh yes, there.